Welcome to the HPN University Manager Best Practices Roadmap. The purpose of this tool is to provide you with practical ideas and best practices on how to fully maximize the HPN University with your advisors. In this episode, we're going to focus on how to utilize the Leadership Systems Assessment with your leadership team. To find these assessments, in the main menu, go to the Leadership tab and click on the Leadership Team Systems Assessments. We've developed these for recruiting and selection, training, and coaching and development. These assessments are based on the GAMA Foundation's best practices of what top-performing organizations are doing. These are great to use with your leadership team to identify strengths as well as areas of opportunity to improve upon. It also creates a great discussion around how aligned or misaligned your leadership team is around each of these best practices. Each of the assessments are one-page PDF files that feature 20 best practices of top-performing organizations. Simply print out the document and identify how often or not your organization is reflecting these best practices. Tally your responses and get a score. It's really interesting to compare the scores of your leadership team, again, to see how aligned or misaligned you might be. If some team members score much lower than others, it either means that everyone's not aware of that you're actually doing these things, or maybe different team members have a different perception of the effectiveness of your existing systems. Either way, it creates the very basis of a productive and fruitful conversation among the leadership team. Now, utilizing these systems assessments as part of a leadership development exercise does take some courage. However, through the years of HPN consulting with leadership teams and utilizing these tools, they're very popular and make a huge difference in increasing the effectiveness of an organization. So if you're up for a challenge and are really committed to improving your organization, then we strongly encourage you to commit to incorporating these tools as part of your ongoing leadership team meetings or annual planning sessions. If you'd like to talk more about this or other best practices for using the HPN University, contact us for a free consultation at info@hoopus.com.